One day, a young boy named Sam was sitting with his father, watching the sunset. His father, a wise and thoughtful man, could see that Sam was deep in thought. "What's on your mind, son?" his father asked. "Dad, I've been wondering, what is the value of life? How do I know how much my life is worth?" Sam asked, looking up with curious eyes. The father smiled and said, "I have something that will help you understand." He handed Sam a small, smooth rock. "But first, take this stone." Sam looked at the stone, confused. "What should I do with this?" "I want you to take this stone to the market tomorrow," the father said. "If anyone asks how much it costs, don't say a word, just raise two fingers." Sam nodded, still unsure of what his father meant. The next day, Sam took the stone to the market. He stood there holding it when a woman approached him. "What a nice stone. How much is it?" she asked. Sam raised two fingers, just as his father had told him. $2. "I'll take it," the woman said. Surprised, Sam ran back home to tell his father. "Dad, a woman wanted to buy the stone for $2. Sam exclaimed.
His father smiled. "Now, take it to the museum."
Sam went to the museum, still holding the same stone. As he entered, the museum curator noticed the stone and came over. "How much would you sell it for?" the curator asked. "This is a rare and beautiful piece." Again, Sam raised two fingers. $200, that's a fair price. "We'll take it," the curator said. Sam was shocked. He rushed back home once more. "Dad, the museum wanted to buy the stone for $200. His father nodded. "Now, son, there's one more place I want you to go. Take the stone to the jewelry store." Sam walked into the jewelry store, still carrying the same stone. The jeweler's eyes widened as soon as he saw it. "This stone, it's priceless. How much are you selling it for?" Sam hesitated, but once again raised two fingers. $2,000. The jeweler said excitedly. "That's a steal. I'll buy it right now." The jeweler asked, staring in awe. Sam, overwhelmed with shock, ran back to his father. "Dad, the jeweler said the stone is worth $2,000. His father smiled and placed a hand on Sam's shoulder. "Son, do you see what I'm trying to tell you?" his father asked softly. "The value of your life depends on where you place yourself. Some people may see you as worth a few dollars, but others might see your true worth. Surround yourself with people who value you for what you are. Surround yourself with those who see the treasure in you." Just like that stone. Sam looked at the stone in his hand and understood. Life's true value isn't set by everyone's opinion, but by those who can see its real worth. Moral: your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Surround yourself with those who see the treasure in you.
Thanks for watching.